Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you how I maintain and take care and wash my wigs. So this is my 30-inch Brazilian straight wig that I made in my previous tutorial. As you can see, it's a little tangled. It's not that bad. It still has movement and body, but you know, I just wanted to get clean because I put a lot of product on it. So to wash my hair, usually I just use some regular old Suave shampoo. Um, any shampoo with sulfates in it is good because it strips it of all the dirt. And then the magic thing that I use is silicone mix. Silicone mix is what's going to make the hair soft and manageable. It's going to bring it back to life. So I'm just showing you guys the directions and everything and what it says it'll do. So yeah, we're going to get right into it. Okay, so to wash my wigs, I usually do the same thing like I'm washing my regular hair. So I use warm water. So right now I have warm water in my sink. You can't see it, but I'm rinsing the hair right now with the warm water. And I'm just rubbing through it to get the initial dirt off. And you guys can't see, but that water turned brown, okay? So there was a lot of product buildup on it. So after that, I empty out the dirty water because I want to start fresh again. And I add some fresh, clean water again, keeping it warm. And then I go ahead and I add the Suave shampoo. And after I add the shampoo, just like you regularly wash your hair, you rub it through. Now, as you can see, I'm using a downward motion because if you don't use a downward motion, the hair is going to get tangled and caught up in itself. I made that mistake with one of my last wigs that I made a few years ago. I thought I could just wash it anyhow, and by the time I tried to detangle, it was a hot mess. It turned into a raccoon, okay? It was a little furry creature, and I had to throw it out. So always wash in a downward motion. If you want, you could use the comb. I didn't really want to use the comb. I just decided to rub the hair. I focused on the roots, and yeah, the roots of the hair because I use a lot of Got2b glued spray, so I'm trying to get all of that out. I wash the lace as well because you know the Got2b glued spray goes on the lace too, and also my foundation is on the lace. So as you can see, I'm just making sure to get all that dirt off. And as you can see, once I'm done, I'm just going to dip the hair back into the warm water and just like stroke the hair downward to get all the excess water out. And I do that a couple of times. And so I'm going to do this same thing with the shampoo and rinsing for 3 times. But I won't show you all 3 times. This is just the first time. And I'm going to show you the last time. So now that the hair is all rinsed, we're going to go ahead with the silicone mix. And I made sure to make sure the hair was warm, which is why I use warm water, because just like your regular hair, your cuticles are open and it allows the product to penetrate through your strands. So I'm going to go ahead and put the silicone mix from roots to ends, and I'm going to comb it through, put it in a plastic bag, just like you deep condition in your hair, and then I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it out. She never realized, say the boy she said the G in our cousin. Then I realized that it never really wasn't. Why you do to me like this? Tell me wait and be this. Angelina, I'ma see me I don't tire. Now I come discover. Say the love come back further. No forever. No be to or die affair. Angelina. Angelina, I got me, I say, make you bow. But they tell me that kind thing, that's a reader you. I be PhD boy, no come, they reverse me. Make I check you the pink so you go know. This is how I let the hair dry, just on my bathrobe, and I let it air dry for a day. So this is the next day, and this is how I detangle and style the hair. So I decided to do perm rods. This was for my birthday hairstyle, so I used some African braid spray. I don't think I'll be using that again though. Usually I use like some type of gel or something, but I didn't want to weigh the hair down. But I just detangle the hair in like small pieces, And then I add the braid spray, and then I use the perm rods, roll it from the bottom all the way up. So this is what the hair looks like with all the perm rods in it, and I let it sit for 1 day, but unfortunately it didn't dry within a day, so my curls came out really loose and not too defined, but still it came out cute. So that's basically how I wash and take care of my wig. Sometimes I'll straighten it after, but yeah, that's how it came out. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys!